Here's why women might feel more horny at night. Obviously, people feel their horniest at absolutely inverse season of day as per an astonishing review. Assuming that you're in a hetero relationship and you and your accomplice are having less sex than you'd like, it probably won't be your strategy that is the use, however, your timing. Need to get a woman really horny? You probably will not have a lot of karma with morning sex. As per a study done by Sex to organization Love Honey, the clock might be at fault for all your missed association. Men are horny most frequently in the first part of the day, while horny ladies feel generally energized around evening time. When are women the horniest? The study surveyed 2,300 grown-ups and found that almost 70% of ladies say they have been with an accomplice whose sex drive was significant, confused with their own, and that one major component was the planning of their turn-ons. How this affects your sex life? While you may have one or two doubts about their information, the vast majority are not so centered around when the clock strikes 6 time. Truly a great many people have encountered a second when your accomplice needed to get going and you were too occupied to even consider irritating. Men detailed that they like to get their day going right with a little sex somewhere in the range of 6 and 9 am, while ladies liked to slow down with some lovemaking between 11 pm. Furthermore, 2 am in particular, men were the horniest at 7:54 towards the beginning of the day, while ladies are at 11:21 around evening time.